Today we have very important news for stories that explain what is happening in South Sudan. Firstly, we are going to talk about Minister Michael Makwei reject UN report about corruption and human rights in South Sudan. Secondly, we are going to talk about soldier and Agwelek forces take over the SPLMI office in Malakal. Thirdly, we are going to talk about 8 traders kidnapped after a boat attack in Ural East. And fourth, finally, the bigger picture, what this even means for the future of South Sudan. Stay with me. Let us work together through this update. Before we proceed, if you are new here at Changfied YouTube channel, I would like you to, if the channel, support the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Let's start with the first story, why Michael McQuay reject UN report. The government spokesperson, Minister Michael McQuay, has spoken strongly against a new report from the United Nations Human Rights Commission. The report is called Plundering a Nation, How Rampant Corruption Unleashed a Human Rights Crisis in South Sudan. The report says that since 2011, South Sudan made then 25 billion US dollar from oil. But the report claimed this money did not reach the people in the state. It was taken away through corruption, secret contract, and network of politicians. According to the UN said corruption has destroyed basic services in South Sudan. Schools have no support, hospital lack of medicine, civil servants are underpaid or not paid at all. Ordinary people are also suffering. But Minister Michael McQuay said the report is not true. He said the government never received the report officially. McQuay said it was only posted on social media. In his own words, Michael McQuay stated that these are not real reports. He said they have no evidence. If the UN has something to say, they must bring it directly to the government, McQuay stated. Here we see two different sides. The UN say corruption is destroying the South Sudan. The government say, no, this is a lie. Now, I ask you, my viewer, who do you believe? The UN researcher or the government spokesman? Please tell me in the comment below. And remember, while you write your thought, don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, you support our channel so we can continue to bring you the truth. Our second top story is SPLAI office taken over in Malakal. Now we have to move to Upper Nile State, Malakal town. A serious political drama has happened there. According to the report, the office of the SPLMIO under Dr. Machar, the party offense by President Riek Machar, has been taken over by soldiers and given to Agwelek force. According to SPLMIO official, the state security advisor, El Tayyib Ajak, sent order for soldiers to break into the office. They break into the office building. The building was handed to Major General Paromi Agwe, Deputy of General Johnson Ulun. This general is working under Johnson Ulun. This office was very important for SPLAIO. It was their base in Malakal since 2023, but now it's no longer theirs. Even inside SPLAIO, there are problems. Some members have left and joined a new faction led by Peace Building Minister Stephen Parkour, who worked with President Salva Kiir Mayardit. This is played as weakened the opposition. The ruling SPLM party denied they were part of this takeover, but even member of the breakaway SPLMIO faction admit that a senior SSPDF officer is now inside the building. So the question becomes, what does this mean for peace in South Sudan? If opposition parties cannot even keep their office, how can they prepare for elections? Since election is very near. My people, this is not just about one building. Well, it is about power, loyalty, and survival. Our third story is a sad story one. trader kidnapped in river attacked in Lake State. In Lake State, Ural East County, a terrible attack happened on the river. A boat was traveling from Panyujar County in Unity State to Juba. On board were 27 people and 66 animals to 65 cow and 1 goat. But as they crossed into Ural East, army men stopped them. These men they wore police uniform. They opened fire. 18 people survived. Some reached Bor, some returned to Panyijar. But 8 traders were kidnapped and more than 60 cars were stolen on that incident. The kidnappers are demanding 20 million South Sudanese pounds for the release of the trader. Families are afraid even if they pay, they are not sure the kidnapper will release their loved ones. This is not the first time. In June, 4 traders were killed in another river ambush near Shambe port. The question is, who controls the river? Local leaders blame each other. Panyijar commissioners say the attacker came from Ural East. Ural East commissioners say no, it was not us. The Lake State government say river security is the job of the national government, not them. But while leaders argue, ordinary people suffer. Trader cannot travel safely. Family lost their loved ones. Human rights groups are calling for an urgent meeting of the government from the governor of Lake State, Unity and Jonglei to address this crisis, because this has been happening. It keeps happening without stopping. What do you think should be done in this case? Should the National Army take charge of river security, or should the state work together? Comment below, please. When we put these stories together, what do we see? Right? In Juba, the government rejects corruption allegations, as you hear from Michael Makwelwes. And also in Malakal, opposition offices are seized by soldiers, SPLMIO office. And in Ural East, traders are kidnapped on the river. The common picture is this. South Sudan is still in crisis. Corruption destroys trust. Political division break parties apart. Violence along road and river put life at risk. And through it all, ordinary people are left with little hope. But we must not lose faith. Our people are strong. They continue to farm, to trade, to raise families, and to dream of peace. The question is, will the leader rise to meet that hope, or will they continue to fight and enrich themselves while the nation suffers?